Am I tripping, or is this van like driving sideways or something? Good shit, man. That boy need to go hang it up. Take that joker to the scrap yard. That shit is driving sideways. I don't know if this camera picking it up, but look, we been in a little right corner now. Why am I still seeing the left side of his van? Ah, shit. Go on beside this guy and see what his face look like. Look at it, look. That shit is driving sideways, bro. See what his face look like, boy. Let's see what the hell you doing, man. Oh yeah, he know it. He in that cheese is like, yeah, my van driving sideways, I know it.